Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. I'm good here. Today I have a special dedication to Fatima, one of my followers, and she requested me to make a headband, and I'm going to make one for you today. It's a special dedication to you, and please enjoy this video if you're not Fatima but you're here in support of Joyous Crocheters. We are going to need these balls of yarn, and we are using a 4-ply wool yarn, a crochet hook, that is a 4.5mm hook. You will need a sewing needle and a tape measure. So to start, we are going to start with a band, and I'm making one of a 0 to 4 months old baby. So in measurements, the baby's head is 14 inches, but the headband is going to be 12 inches. We leave an allowance for stretching so that it fits the baby perfectly. Okay, so let's go ahead and chain 15. So to do that, you make a small loop in the best way that you know. This is how I do mine. And then we chain our 15. That's 1, these are my 15 chains, and we are going to count 5 stitches from the hook here backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And in this 5th stitch here, put a double crochet in it. Okay, then chain 1, skip the next stitch and put a double crochet in the following one, like that. Chain 1 once again, skip the next stitch and put a double crochet in the next stitch. So we're going to continue doing that up to the end here. You chain 1, skip the next stitch and put a double crochet in the following stitch. So I've done that up to the last stitch, and you should be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. For round 2, chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your work and put 1 double crochet in this space. Okay, chain 1, work a double crochet in the next space, like that. So we are going to continue doing that up to the last space here. You just chain 1 and put a double crochet in the next space. So continue like that up to the end here. So for round 3, we are going to repeat what we've done here at round 2. You chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your work and work a double crochet in this first space here. Chain 1 and work a double crochet in the next space. So you're repeating what you've done at round 2. You chain 1 and put a double crochet in the next space here. Okay, so continue up to the end here. So for round 4, you're going to repeat what you've done at round 2 and round 3. Okay, and you continue until your work measures 12 inches. If you're making a headband for a 0 to 3 months old baby, it should measure 12 inches without stretching it. Okay, and I would advise you do the same. For an adult, it's usually between 21 inches to 24 inches. So leave an allowance of 2.5 inches, 3 to 2.5 inches if you want it really tight. It depends on how tight you want to make it. So if you're a small head, you should make 19 inches. If it's medium, you should make 20 inches. And if it's a bigger or a large head, it should be around 21 inches. Okay, then you add on your flower. Okay, so I've completed mine, and this is how it looks like. It has 21 rounds. I don't know how many yours are. It depends on how you crochet. So the next step is to join the ends. Insert your yarn in the crochet needle. Okay, and then find the reverse side and join it together. Okay, you're going to join stitch by stitch. So go ahead and sew in this end too. So this is how the hairband looks like. I've joined it on the reverse side, so I'm going to turn it on top, just like that. If you don't want to add any accessory on it, it's fine. So that would be your hairband, and you can make it as wide as you want, for as long as the stitches, the first chain you make is an even number. So I don't know which accessory you chose, but for me, I'm going to add this flower and just insert it at the point where you've joined your work. Okay, and how to make this flower. My next video is going to be about making this flower, so I'll include it in the description box after I make it. Be sure to check it out. Go ahead and join it like that. Make sure you don't go deep, because you don't want this ready to show up here. You work on the surface here and on the surface here, so you don't have to go deep. So after that, after sewing it on, go ahead and secure your work here at the back. Sew in the ends. So this is a very simple hairband made. An adult can have it and babies can wear it as well. It's very adjustable, like you can see. So thank you for watching. Fatima, I hope you find this video very helpful. And in case you have more queries about it or anything, or if you need any special help, please reach out and I'll be glad to help. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.